Hi everyone, I'm Vijaya Durga. The topic of today's video is algebraic identities with examples. So let's get started. Here is the list of important identities which you must remember. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. Here, a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. To get a minus b whole square, we can substitute minus b in the first formula. By that method also, we can get a minus b whole square formula. Similarly, here a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If you want a minus b whole cube, we can substitute minus b in this one. Then we will get a cube minus b whole cube will be minus b cube and 3a into minus b minus 3ab into a plus b, a minus b. So this is how you remember all the formulas. So let's look at some examples regarding algebraic identities. Here I have taken one example, x plus 5 into x minus 5. I think this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. X is a and b, a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So I get a equals to x and b equals to 5. So let's solve this. A square minus b square, that is x whole square minus 5 square. X square minus 5 square is 25. So we get the answer x plus 5 into x minus 5 equals x square minus 25. Let's take a look at another example. T plus 2 into t plus 4. We may not get any Let's solve another example, that is t plus 2 into t plus 4. We may not get any direct identity, but I can write t plus 4. Let's rewrite it. T plus 2 into t plus 4 can be written as t plus 2 plus 2, that is t plus 2 as a single term and a 2. Here we can multiply this. We will get t plus 2 into t plus 2 plus t plus 2 into 2. Here this will be t plus 2 into t plus 2, that is t plus 2 whole square. T plus 2 whole square plus distributing this to 2t plus 2 into 2. Here this is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we have t in the place of a and 2 in the place of b. So we will get t square plus b, that is 2 square plus 2 times of t into 2 plus 2t plus 4. 2t plus 4. Now this will be t square plus 2 square will be 4. 4 plus 2 2s are 4. 4t plus 2t plus 4. 4t and 2t 60. 4 and 4 8. So we get the answer t square plus 6t plus 8. So t plus 2 into t plus 4 equals t square plus 60 plus 8. here's our next example, that is 9 by 4 x square minus y square by 9. We can get this in the form of an identity by simple changes. That is, I can write 9 as 3 square and 4 as 2 square. That is 3 whole square by 2 whole square into x square minus y square by, again we got an I, that is 3 square. 3 whole square. Here we got 3 square by 2 square, that is 3 by 2 whole square into x square minus y by 3 whole square. I am taking the square to the whole part, and here also we have same powers, so the bases can be multiplied, that is 3 by 2 x whole square minus y by 3 whole square. So I think this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. Here a is 3 by 2x and b is y by 3. So let's simplify this. 3 by 2x plus y by 3. 3 by 2x plus y by 3 into 3 by 2x minus y by 3. So let's take the LCM, that is 3x by 2 plus y by 3 into 3x by 2 minus y by 3. So we will get an LCM of 6 here, that is 9x plus 2y into 9x minus 2y by 6. So 6 into 6 will be 36, that is 1 by 36 of 9x plus 2y into 9x minus 2y. So we got it as 9 by 4 x square minus y square by 9 as 1 by 36 of 9x plus 2y into 9x minus 2y. The next example is 2a plus b plus 3 whole square. So we can clearly see that this is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So a plus b plus c whole square formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ac. So here 2a is in place of a and b is in the place of b and 3 is in the place of c. So let's substitute and solve. That is a square 2a whole square plus b square, that is b whole square plus c square 3 square plus 2 times of ab bc ac. A into b, that is 2a into b plus bc, b into 3, b into 3 plus ac, that is 2a into 3. So let's solve it further. We will get 2a whole square, that is 2 square into a square, that is 4a square plus b square plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 times of here 2ab plus 3b plus 2 3s 6a. Let's rearrange this. We will get 4a square plus b square plus 9 plus 2 twos are 4ab plus 2 threes 6b plus 2 6 are 12a. So rearranging, 4a square plus b square plus 12a plus 6b plus 4ab plus 9. This is the answer of 2a plus b plus 3 whole square. Next example, that is x minus y plus z. This is very similar to a plus b plus c whole square, except we have minus symbol here. So what we can do is, I can write x plus minus y plus z whole square. So we have a minus y in the place of b. So we can apply the normal formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ac. So now let's substitute. We will get a square, that is x square plus b square minus y whole square plus c square, which is z square, plus 2 into a into b, that is x into minus y plus b into c, that is minus y into z plus ac, that is x and z, that is x into z. So solving this, we will get x square plus minus y whole square is y square, minus y whole square is y square plus z square plus 2 into x into minus y, which is minus xy, y into minus y into z, that is minus yz plus xz. So multiplying 2, we will get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into minus xy plus 2 into minus yz plus 2xz. So x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz plus 2xz. So this will be the answer of x minus y plus z whole square. In the next example, they gave us the value of a plus b plus c and ab plus bc plus ac and told us to find out a square plus b square plus c square. I think we remember learning the formula of a plus b plus c whole square, that is a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square is 2 times of ab plus bc plus ac. So I think we have the value of a plus b plus c and ab plus bc plus ac. So we can easily find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square. To find this, let's transpose this to this side. We get a square plus b square plus c square equals a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ac. So let's substitute these values. We get 9 whole square minus 2 times of 26. 9 square is 81 minus 2 times of 26 is 52. 81 minus 52 will be 29. So a square plus b square plus c square value is 29.